Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an embedded newsletter sign-up form in Mailerlite step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional sign-up form ready to capture leads and grow your email list, perfect for any website in 2025. Let's dive in. Log in to Mailerlite first. Head over to Mailerlite.com. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a quicker experience, you can use Sign In with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Create a new form on the dashboard, navigate to the Forms tab, click on Create Form, then choose Embedded Form as your form type. This option is perfect because it allows your sign-up form to sit seamlessly on any page of your website. Name and group. Your form. Next, give your form a unique and descriptive name. This helps you easily identify it later. Click Save and Continue. Then select the Mailerlite group where your new subscribers will be stored. This ensures your leads are organized and segmented properly. Once done, click Continue. Design and personalize your form. Now comes the fun part, designing your form. You can customize the background with colors, patterns, or images to match your brand. Edit form fields to collect the exact subscriber information you need. Adjust fonts, sizes, and alignment for a clean, user-friendly layout. Edit the button text and color to create an irresistible call to action. Make it bold and eye-catching to drive signups. Once you're happy with your design, click Done Editing. Embed the form on your website. Finally, you'll see the embedding code. Simply copy this code and paste it into your website wherever you want the sign-up form to appear. And that's it. Your form is live and ready to start collecting emails. And there you have it, a fully functional, beautifully designed embedded newsletter sign-up form in Mailerlite. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 ready tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy lead capturing.